How to remove phone number from TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove phone number or unlink your phone number from TikTok account. Now, to do so, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account and head over to profile icon by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once here, what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon on the top right corner of the screen and head into settings and privacy. Once on settings privacy, you can see the option accounts right on top. Now head into account and under account head to account information. Now here you can see there is an option phone number. If you simply tap on it, you can get two options to change your phone number and to unlink phone. If you want to change your phone number, you can simply change your phone number by tapping on change phone. However, if you want to remove your phone number from TikTok, you can simply head and unlink the phone. Tap on it and you'll see the option unlink phone number. And if you unlink this blah blah number from your account, you can no longer log in with this number, reset your password with this number, allow contacts to find you with this number. So be sure that you are removing the number that you have access to your account. So what you want to do is tap on continue to unlink, and then it'll send a verification code to your device. And once the verification code comes up, simply tap the code here and then click on continue and your phone number will get unlinked. So this way you can unlink phone number from TikTok. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.